Derek, is anything coming through, Derek? Anything coming through at all?
Well, I'm getting a strange presence in me. Sam's just called me there and he said he's on about.
Do you hear that noise? Yeah.
He's on about George. Is that a George or George Grimshaw? George Grimshaw. 1875.
Okay. Right, it's over to you, Derek. Can you feel anything, Derek?
Well, you know, I'm getting a strange presence. Sam's guiding me. What's that, Sam? It's a George or a George Grimshaw. I'm getting it here. He passed over sudden as if he was murdered there. 1896. That's it, I've got it, 1896. Yeah. And there's a strong presence coming from over there. Just over to my right, over here.
Right.
Can you feel anything over there, Yvette?
Well, at the moment I feel okay, but I feel a bit sicky. Like I feel a bit nauseous and like a headache.
Yeah.
So I don't know if I heard